Welcome back to Renovation Time. I am Tim, the Toolman Taylor. As always, my trusty assistant, Al, the Victory Gardener Borland. And today we're talking about weeds.
We have our everyday weed torch. This can be used in gravel, concrete, or anywhere where you don't want any discoloration in your driveways.
Well, Al, that's all well and good if you've got 8 hours a day to stand around killing weeds, but I think we can do a little bit better than that. I'm talking about some real firepower, the Samson 5000 Torcher. This bad boy has 20,000 BTUs, man. Enough firepower for anything that you would need.
Tim, I don't think that you should be doing this out here. We have an entire tank of gasoline behind us.
Don't worry about it, Al. I got it. I'm a trained professional. I worked my way through college as a landscaper. 8 years can teach you a lot.
Tim, I don't think that was a good idea.
Well, Al, I think this would be a good time to promote the men's advance coming up in March, the 28th through the 30th. It's going to be a great time.
Don't forget to sign up. We'll see you there.